Welcome! In front of me I have SUUNTO Race and I'm gonna show you how to change the watch face on this watch. First you will need to wake up the screen on your watch, and you can do it by pressing the middle button. Once you wake up the screen, press and hold the middle button to open the settings. In settings, find the customize option and tap on it. Then select the watch face. This will open the list of watch faces, basically the watch face menu. You can scroll through the list, find the watch face you would like to use on your watch, and once you find the watch face, you can tap on it to select and apply it. Oh, we can also change the color, so let's go back to the watch face menu. Okay, select the watch face, and then we can select the color of the watch face or the accents of the watch face, and then you can tap on it to apply it like this. And that's how you change the watch face on this watch. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, please consider subscribing to our channel and leaving a like on the video.